What's up, lovely people? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. God bless you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys 4 easy ways to style your messy bantu knots. Okay, so if you did a bantu knot to achieve beautiful coils and it end up not coming out the way you want, don't feel bad. In today's video, I'm going to show you 4 different styles that you can style the bantu knot that do not come out the way you want and still rock them to the fullest. Okay, so if this video sounds like what you'll be interested in, please sit back, relax and enjoy this video to the very end. And please do well to subscribe to this channel and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you. So this thing, I cut it off from my daughter's what do you call it, pantyhose. That was where I cut this thing from. So the first style, we're going to put everything like this. So guys, in this first one, I'm trying to do something like a band, like these styles where you pull your headband in front and then pull it back. It's a very easy style. So since I don't have a hairband, I'm using this elastic material that I cut off of my daughter's pantyhose, and it's really stretchy. It's doing the work exactly the way that I want. So if you have a headband, you don't need to struggle this. Just need to brush your hair back a little bit and pull your headband, and voila, you're cute and you're ready to go to your office, your school, wherever you want to go. The style is really okay. What do you think? Alright, so we are on to style number 2. In this style, I'm creating double ponytail. Okay, so I just part my hair in 2 halves. Then I will do a ponytail for the both of them, like a bond. What do they call it? A bun, I think. Double bun or double ponytail, don't know. So yeah, it's very easy. Just brush your hair. Like guys, you can use gel to make these things lay back properly and look finer. And also you can pull something like a twist by the side or even in front, maybe like a double twist or so, twist what do you call it now? Be creative, style it your own way, make it look fine the way that you want. I'm actually in a hurry to show you guys these styles. That's why I didn't really prepare myself very much, but this is just giving you guys an idea. Okay, can we talk about edges? Guys, people should not laugh at me. Like, laying of my edges is not a second nature at all. Like, I struggle a lot to do something like this, and I envy those people that will just carry their brush and they are doing their work and it's very easy. They find it very easy to do. I envy them a lot. I don't find it easy, honestly speaking. I can even let go of it sometimes, but when you put edges, you look like baby. I don't know. But it's very fine when you lay your edges. Okay, so this is style number 2. Let's move on to style number 3. Alright, so we are on to style number 3. I'm so sorry guys, I lost the first clip of this style, but it's a very simple one also. All you have to do is to bring some coils in front like a fringe and then use something like a bobble pin to hold it in place. Fluff off the rest and you're good to go. Okay, So we are in style number 4 and the final style for this video, guys. So in this one I'm doing just like one single ponytail or bun, right? So like I said before, if you don't mind washing, because I really do not want to wash my hair immediately, I ended up still washing it. But anyway, when I was doing this hairstyle, in my mind I didn't want to wash my hair, right? So that's why I didn't use gel. But it didn't even occur to me that I could actually use like what do you call it, like flaxseed gel or aloe vera gel to still achieve, you know, the sleek that I wanted. Anyway, this is me just giving you idea. Okay, when you're doing yours, you can choose to apply gel. You can also choose to bring out styles in front, like a coil by the side, or even in front or at the back. You know, these little cute styles that will make it pop up and look even finer. And also, one tip when you're doing this afro puff, you should pick your hair. Okay, pick your hair. It gives the illusion of fuller hair. All right, guys, so what do you think about these styles so far? What do you think? Do you like them? Please let me know in the comment section. All right. So guys, here is the back view. What do you guys think? I think the hair is giving. Anyway, baby girl quickly took some pictures because, you know, we can't be dulling ourselves, right? So these are the 4 styles that you can easily make on your bantu knot. If you're not happy with the coils, like if the coils did not come out the way that you plan, these are the 4 easy styles that you can easily achieve on your messy bantu knots. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. Please, if you do like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you guys for sticking with me. See ya in my next video. Bye bye. So guys, these are the 4 styles that you can easily make on your... You keep quiet now.